Meet my wife, the black hole of household items. Anything I give her mysteriously disappears. One day, I handed her the car keys, and moments later, they were nowhere to be found. And eventually found them buried in her purse. My credit card once went missing and turned up in the laundry basket. Phones have been found under couch cushions. Her most impressive feat was the TV remote. After days of searching, we found it in the microwave, as if it had just finished warming up. I can't help but laugh. Her ability to lose things in the most bizarre places is legendary. Sure, my keys might be in the microwave tomorrow, but her loving, funny, and unpredictable spirit makes our life together special.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.